Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your pictures are failing to open or displaying as broken thumbnails in Windows 11, you may have app glitches or underlying file system corruption. I will show you how to safely repair your image viewer and fix these storage errors right now. Let's get started. First, your actual picture files may be perfectly fine, but the default image viewing application could be glitched. Open your Windows settings, select Apps from the left sidebar, and click on Installed Apps. Scroll down to Microsoft Photos, click the three dots, and select Advanced Options. Click the Repair button or click Reset if the repair fails to resolve the viewing issue. Next, running the built-in disk utility helps repair file system errors that can fragment and corrupt your saved images. Open File Explorer. Right-click the specific drive where your pictures are stored and select Properties. Navigate to the Tools tab and click the Check button located under the Error Checking section. Select Scan Drive to force Windows to automatically identify and repair faulty storage sectors. Finally, restoring damaged core media rendering components ensures your operating system can properly decode image files. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC //Scan Now and press Enter to initiate a complete scan of your protected system files. Restart your computer once the verification finishes to seamlessly apply the automated repairs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.